Officer who killed teen was ticking time bomb, lawyers say. Wethersfield, Connecticut. Relatives of a Connecticut man killed by a police officer last month called Wednesday for him to be arrested, while the family's lawyers described the officer as a ticking time bomb because of problems he had at another police department. The family members, attorneys and NAACP officials gathered for a news conference outside the police department in Wethersfield, where Officer Lazier shot 18-year-old Anthony Jose Vega Cruz on April 20. Police body camera and business surveillance videos show Lazier firing through the front windshield of Vega Cruz's car as Vega Cruz drives at him while trying to flee a traffic stop. Lawyers Ben Crump and Michael Jefferson said there was no reason for the officer to run in front of the car and create a dangerous situation. They also cited personnel records, first reported Monday, that said Lazier had problems handling stressful situations and making tactical mistakes when he was a Manchester officer from 2015 until 2018. The officer joined Wethersfield Police in August. You have this ticking time bomb that they put on patrol here in this city, and it begs the question, did they even look at his personnel file from his previous employer, and, if so, then why would you hire this officer, said Crump, a Florida attorney known for representing the families of young black men killed by police. There is no reason, when you look at the history of this police officer, that he should have been on the street, Crump said. It was foreseeable that this tragedy or one like it would occur. Jefferson called Lazier a cowboy engaging in reckless behavior. Vega Cruz was Hispanic, while Lazier is black. Crump and Jefferson called the shooting another example of a national problem of police officers unjustifiably killing and wounding young people of color. Wethersfield Police Chief James Cetran has declined to discuss details of the shooting, the records from Manchester Police and the reasons Lazier was hired. Out of respect for the process undertaken by the Connecticut State Police and the Hartford State's Attorney, we will not have any comment on any aspect of this event until their work has been completed, Cetran said in an email on Wednesday. Hartford State's Attorney Gail Hardy is leading an investigation of the shooting, while Lazier is on paid leave pending the review under normal police protocols. Lazier has not returned messages seeking comment. His lawyer, Elliot Spector, said Tuesday that he believed deadly force was justified because the officer's life was in danger when the car came at him. Lazier had to run in front of the car, when it stopped briefly, because he couldn't see the driver through the darkly tinted door windows, Spector said. Spector also said the Manchester documents portray Lazier unfairly. While Lazier did make some rookie mistakes, the records pertain only to a small fraction of Lazier's time on the Manchester force and don't show all the good he did, Spector said. Lazier is upset about what happened and wishes Vega Cruz had not driven at him, Spector said. The Manchester records show that Lazier had been told by several Manchester police officials that his conduct in some cases was unacceptable and that he had been sent to remedial training several times. The records describe several episodes in which Lazier lost his composure with the public and made tactical mistakes. It is my opinion that Lazier needs immediate attention, Manchester Sergeant Jamie Taylor wrote in 2016. I worry that if he does not vastly improve his work performance under stress, he is going to hurt himself or someone else. Former Manchester Police Chief Mark Montminy reprimanded Lazier in January 2018 for improperly approaching a car during a traffic stop with his gun drawn and pointed at the driver. Montminy wrote to Lazier that although department officials had made several attempts to help the officer correct performance problems, we are still observing deficiencies. Lazier also was involved in a fatal police-involved shooting in 2015 that was ruled justified. A state trooper killed a man threatening the officers with a box cutter. Lazier also fired at the man but missed. Vega Cruz's sister, Cassandra Vega, said she wants justice for her little brother. I want the cop to be in jail, she said. There was no reason for him to shoot him.